Hello everyone, it's Mommy here from Marvelous Beauty World. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about celery juice. Sometimes you can have like a skin problem, or you are treating just outside but the problem is inside. So today we'll be doing a nice celery juice just to detox our inside, to have some nice glowy skin and all of that. Keep watching. Today we'll be doing a detox celery juice, for a nice glowy skin, or it's lockdown as well, so some people, they just don't have like good quality sleep. So this of celery, like before you go to bed, it's gonna help you like have a nice relaxing sleep, and then it cleans your body as well. So celery has a lot of vitamins, so we need some celeries. So we need like a lemon, and then we need some ginger. So our main ingredient today is the celery, so we'll be just talking about all the benefits of celery. So yeah, I don't know if you ever try like any celery juice before, so you just let me know in the description box, like how do you make your celery. But for mine is just gonna be celery, lemon, and a little bit of ginger, just like to spice it up a little bit. Yeah, keep watching, so I'll show you how I'm gonna do it. Yeah guys, that's how it looks like after blending our celery. So this is how it looks like. Celery is really good for your health. It has a lot of healthy benefits, such as improving the skin condition. If you suffer from like acne or eczema, so the celery, if you introduce it in your skincare routine, so it does help. Like you have it like every morning, a glass, trust me, this is gonna help you like to give you a nice glowy skin, and then detox your body as well, bring all the toxic out. It's really good. You guys, let me know if you ever try any celery juice. Let us know how you do yours. But mine, it was just celery and a little bit of ginger to spice it up. So I will add a little bit of lemon when I'm gonna drain it. Try it and then let us know if what you think about it. If you are new here, please like this video, share it, and subscribe. You might have like a relative who is suffering from any skin condition, so if you just detox their body with this juice, trust me, say they will be amazed with the results. Yeah guys, here I am back with our juice. Look how green it looks. It just looks so amazing and nice. Yeah, the juice is here, our celery juice, which is gonna give you a nice glow skin. Look at how glowy is my skin. Wow, this juice, it does help. It does help as well with skin conditions such as eczema, all of that. Trust me, if you introduce this juice in your life, wow, you're gonna feel, you're gonna come and thank me. So the juice is here, so you just have like one glass in the morning with empty stomach for like skin condition or glowy, and then night time, if you have like problem with your sleep, it does improve like sleep quality. So you have one glass as well before you go to bed. Trust me, you're gonna feel good. And then thank you so much for watching, for your time. We do appreciate. I'm not gonna forget, before I go, we have a good news. We have a giveaway coming up. Please check out our next video. We have a giveaway for you. Valentine is coming. Sharing is caring. We love you so much, so we need to share something special with you. Check out our next video. We love you. Bye. Let's drink.